CD stands for continuous delivery. And this is normally where we, the DevOps engineers, start getting involved, because this is now the stage where we take the application once it's passed the test and go ahead and deploy it. So we can split it into two parts. So we can have over here the CI part, which as we said is going to be build and then test. And then we can have the CD part. We might build a Docker image, push it up to a repository, add it to a Kubernetes file, and then deploy it. With Jenkins, what you can do is automate this entire process. So if tests pass, start the build, push, and deploy. So again, rather than doing all of this manually, we now have a fast-track way of doing this. The main advantage here with Jenkins is that we can configure these pipelines and have a completely automated process. And the reason CI/CD is such a popular concept is that it massively speeds up the development process, because now we aren't waiting for testers to test, and we're not beholden to it works on my machine. Again, this is all automated. And if it passed, we can then automate Docker builds, and we can go ahead and deploy it. And it's not just limited to this. I've seen Jenkins used in numerous ways. So we can have it as an automated platform to schedule cleanups. We can have it for deploying releases. We can have it for building applications standalone, so CI. It really varies on how you want to use it. And throughout this course, you're going to be learning a lot about Jenkins. And again, it's a fantastic skill to add to your CV and to your knowledge. So let's get started with our first lesson.